Albert, look at the amount of assets Albert has. Just
Uh-oh, and Unity's opening. Why?
spice.
Oh, my computer's about to die, boys. Oh, wait, no. Okay, I'm able to close Unity.
Wait, hold on. Don't these Metro sirens or speakers actually like give off like a certain audio?
Huh?
I could have sworn one of these speakers actually like speak.
Yes, speak.
Does it speak
They do.
to you at night?
That's German.
You sure it's not Dutch? You see
Nice.
that play for whenever they go inside the bank. These speakers are weird, man. Imagine being in the metro tunnel and you just hear that.
Yeah, I don't see a problem with that.
Ah, yes,
20 of
that's
them next to each
Dutch.
other. Can you translate what they're saying?
Can you just spawn a bunch?
Fucking Ferdinand.
Okay, all I did was like Foxtrot, Echo, Romeo, and like the Metro alphabet.
Dude, this is just a radio conversation they're having, what the fuck?
They're contacting Canadians right now. Canada's trying to find out their rough location so that they can put it in the over description.
Guys, where is Canada? They hurt my feelings. I'm gonna beat them up.
Oh no. What the fuck?
Need to fix the radios.
Can you just spawn a bunch in Blizzard? Just spawn in a bunch. Just listen to them all.
Get prepared for absolute just. Oh god, right.
Like, if you make one speaker very big, does it cover the whole map?
Hold on. Wait, what? Wait, no, it was the Metro Church, I think.
Metro
Crap,
Church.
what was it that actually made the sirens, in,
Dude, my
Right,
fucking
sirens? It
brain.
was that thing you have there, except it only triggered a little full moon.
hold on.
I don't think you can force it to a full moon.
I think I can. Speak.
If you change moon, the moon thingy, the moon slider that's above time.
Hold on. You're a piece of crap.
Nope. Bruh. Bruh. Bruh.
No. Put the moon slider all the way. Go back. Put the moon slider all the way so it's full moon. And then try the different times. Just try it different times because it like activates like at a certain. No, I'm talking about the time slider under it.
No, it just activates during a full moon, so it'd be like right as it starts, or if you load it in to your render distance while there's a full moon.
No.
Yeah, I'll
That's
just like load
homosexual.
into single player. But you know, just imagine like just air raid sirens just go off in like Memphis, just
You took forever.
Yo.
I just came home. Sorry.
Wait, what?
Nice, Mark. You just
Wait,
saved
hold on, why is
the
the
map.
spawn- why is
What
your
are
s-
you doing?
Why are the spawn points all screwed up? Like, bruh.
What?
Like, watch me. No, why is it I place down a spawn point for players and then like just do test purposes and then someone deletes it? Like, that's unepic.
Because if you have a player spawn sit down, nobody's able to build in a certain radius of it. So if player spawns at the airport, will completely fuck over the airport. See it at 69, got him.
Oh, what Sasha know? Maybe just spam it.
Yeah, that's how you can
No,
do
it
it.
doesn't work. No.
No, it does work, it does work. Eventually it'll be a full
It does?
moon. Yeah, it does.
Okay, so it's right now. I don't.
Half moon.
Oh, we're getting there.
Oh, oh. We're about to get here.
Yeah.
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 All that work. All that work for an area
Don't question why I'm wearing a neon uniform and I have an MP7, right? Don't question it. That's right. What is it? This thing is insane fire rate. Like, this thing would be insane for PD to use. Like, this is from France. Adaptive chambering. Oh, really? You're not gonna sing anymore? That's
You
all?
go to low distance and come back in, and it'll play again.
Oh yeah, because in Elbert they
So
have
if you like
a
teleport across the map and then teleport back.
Oh, okay, so we just have to place more on the map.
Are we gonna have these or
I mean, I would definitely
Like
love to
what?
have these, but there's no
Oh
real
my
Maybe
God,
at
my
the prison.
ears. Oh.
Like, there's no application of having the air raid sirens, but I do love the air raid.
I mean, at the prison.
unless there's an actual way to like trigger them, like you press a button and then the sirens go. Doesn't make sense for air raid sirens to go off in a modern non-apocalyptic city because there's a full moon.
It'd just be there to annoy
I'm
people.
just saying.
Now,
Why not just add that as like a punishment box where it's just you're in a box surrounded by them.
It's like 30 fucking air raid sirens just all
Yeah.
around you.
let's
That's like we'll do staff jail.
Let's test that out. Oh,
If
alright, let's test that out, ladies.
Yawning.
Let's add like 30 air raid sirens and see what happens.
is this gonna kill ears? I think you need way more.
Hold on, I'm just trying to organize them into rows and then.
I have a feeling that we're gonna destroy our ears the moment we load in.
Shut. Just.
Why do the tops of the air raid sirens look like a tank from Diap.io?
Alright, well,
are.
I accidentally
I
copied
mean-
them onto themselves, so I'm just gonna. There's right now 2 air raid sirens in each other right now, so that should be enough.
It's probably enough.
Oh, no, it just
Good
means
job, you
all-
just baked a satellite.
I'll just go
Merry
and download
Christmas.
that last repo from Get Kraken. Be ready, children. They don't have
No.
ears anymore. Hold on. I think I have to teleport out.
It's not full moon. You know it's not a full moon, right?
Yeah, it's not a full moon. It's not a full moon.
You idiot!
Stupid. It isn't a full moon. It is not a full moon.
Can you just not hear us?
No, I can hear you. I was laughing at the amount of air raid sirens I produced to me.
Were you laughing at your own retardation?
What?
Oh. Uh-oh.
I think you need a bit more. You need a little bit more.
Oh my god.
Copy paste all of them to each other like 20 times.
Wait, just, it's gonna crash. Wait until it starts crashing your game.
Oh, the light.
I think you
You
copied
just created a
the
fucking.
light.
You just created the second sun. Congratulations.
Oh my god!
Nuke be like.
Okay.
Hey, don't make a satellite now.
God, this is gonna be terrible. Oh man.
Oh man.
Imagine having this as like a punishment on the server.
It's gonna be so fucking loud.
Ooh.
I don't want to be next to these things anymore.
They're so scary. Siren head, is that you?
Alright, let's go ahead and let's do this, ladies and gents. Oh god, this has been a wacky world now, hasn't it?
Oh, this is. Oh, I'm scared.
I'm trying to mentally prepare myself for what's about to happen.
Just walk over there. Walk over there. Do like /v69 and then just drive that over there.
Cruising down the street in my 6'4". Driving left. Oh. Oh no. Oh, it's so loud from over here. Oh my. Oh, it sounds like a plane.
Crash into it. So loud, it's all glitching out. Car, this is part of the fucking showcase.
Brace your ears, ladies and gentlemen. I'm definitely
Is it
clipping
over?
that.